Hey, hey, hey! Here we are, another Traveler's Notebook page, and this time we are doing Studio Calico again because I felt like I'm going to do this page and then break it up and put it into my little extra, my little containers. So, okay, so don't laugh. Well, I mean, I can't hear you, so go for it, but this was my very first hat I ever knit, and it was literally about 6 months ago. Maybe 4 months ago. Anyway, that was my very first hat. Took a picture of it because, you know, you gotta remember things like that. So, excuse me, I just walked in from the car, so of course I'm out of breath because I'm a big girl. So anyway, I wanted to use this card. These cards too, I meant to make it a note to show you guys. These things are thick, like cardboard thick. I'm gonna get some of those blue embellishments used this time around. Well, you'll see in just a second. Ooh, I should have trimmed that up a little bit more. Let's see if we can do it. Yeah, I don't want to get it all over my stuff. Not too bad. I've been wanting to invest into those Tim Holtz 9.5 inch scissors, but I haven't. Just be nice. Okay, so most of the ones phrases I picked for this are sarcastic, obviously. You probably already catch that from me. Alright, so if I'm not pretty sure, start here. So while I was on my, as everybody kept calling it, vacation after my gallbladder surgery. I don't know why everybody kept calling it a vacation. I was like in some pain, okay? Nonetheless, everybody kept calling it my little vacation. I wasn't up to standing up at my craft desk most days. And I had been wanting to learn how to knit and crochet, and they're similar. So I said, you know what? Now is the time. Now is the time. So I did it. I think that'll be fine. Crooked as all get out. Anyway, my plan is to just catty corner these down like I always do when I have an embellishment I just don't know what to do with. These are all Studio Calico from a grab bag, I believe it was. I did like a grab bag and one of the kits. Ooh, come back here. Okay, there we go. But I thought that was funny because everybody was really nice when they saw it, and they were like, "Oh my gosh, you did that!" And I'm like, "Yeah, no." It just, you know, it looks great, but it really isn't. I mean, it works. it works for, you know, what it is. But, a little adhesive on that. Okay, now, hadn't decided on a title yet. These definitely are not going to fit, so those will just go into my little bucket over there. These I'll probably sprinkle around a little bit. I'd love to use that and, but I just don't know. I got that as black, so maybe I should bring it in over here too. Kind of catty cornered. Green. I don't know about that yellow. The blue. I didn't know. That probably wouldn't look too bad somewhere. What I was going to show you. That's what I used. Also, don't tell my husband, okay? I totally went and got one of these today. Oh my gosh, you guys. I totally shouldn't have. I used my coupon. Don't think I spent $20 on this. No, no, no. I used my coupon. So, you know, let's just go ahead and get a little bit of these stickers in here. Because, I mean, Maggie Holmes, come on. Who doesn't love her? It was in my car, though, and I mean, I live in South Georgia, so it's like 800 degrees every stinking day. I say one day I need, oh, hexagons. I say one, oh, gosh, I got so excited. Did you hear me? Good grief. I say one day I should move up north, because, I can smell the adhesive off of this. I just don't do well with this southern heat, and I just feel like I'd rather be up north, and less humidity is the kicker down here. When I say it will pop you on your tail, honey child. I want that there or up here. Look, and then this way I can just flip through and be like, no, honey, look. Even some of them are used. Yeah, I've had this. Is that lying? That's not lying. I've had it, literally. I've had it now. Y'all know I love them. If you thought I was an over-embellisher before, I got an entire book now to over-embellish with. Back up. He had actually texted me and was like, you want to meet for lunch? And I was like, yeah, sure. He said, okay, I'll be there in a minute. And he was going to come meet me at my job. I was like, yeah, I'm at Hobby Lobby. Don't go to work. Awkward moment number 300. I think that's good. Okay, now that's something I'm gonna have to learn to do, is just be like, okay, that's good. I do want to bring these in, these pretty ones. I don't know what the color is, like a bronze, I guess. Green, no. Orange, no. Alright. What do you guys think? Gosh, I would love to use that. Yay. I just don't think it works. Did somebody snip my heart? Sorry, jokers. Who did that? You're not telling in this household. People sketchy in here, let me tell you. Lie to your face and smile at you the whole time. Not gonna lie to you, I really just want to keep flipping. Oh, you know what? I'm bringing some of these black ones to kind of tie in the black from the other side. Okay, that's not too bad. Can we just do maybe a few more flips on this side? Just to make sure. Ooh, look at the labels. And you know, I got Inky Quill. Yeah, she's the one who... Blame it on her. Yep, that's what I'll do. Blame it on somebody that's in a whole nother time zone. Sure. Okay, alright guys, I think that's it. I think I'm going to stop. Don't mind me while I still peruse. Don't want to stamp. Maybe that's what I'm missing, stamps. I'm going to go ahead and put those in my little bucket. I wish, oh, you know what? I know what I'm going to say. Pause for just a moment. Pause for the cause. Hold on just one second. What do you think? Stay positive. And I think I spelled it right. Okay, so Miss Jen, I know you're like, please don't call me out, but I'm calling you out. Did you see on my the traveling drummer page, I totally spelled that wrong. I had a lady, she was like, I think I'm missing an R here, and I still haven't fixed it. I gotta go do that next. Anyway, stay positive, and I added just two little sprinkles, so. There we have it, my friends. Hope you're having a great rest of your day. We've made it to hump day. You know what tomorrow is. Thursday, Friday Eve. Peace out, homies. Bye.